And what do you think of the show?
It was fantastic. I loved it.
What do you think of this whole thing? Is it like
I love Danny Black.
So good.
Use that over and over again.
That's me. So the last video on this channel, you saw me go from Sydney to Brisbane. Well, hold up, let's actually take that back. Let's go in reverse. So just like that, I'm back on the Pacific Explorer, and it's been fun, but this is gonna be a different kind of cruise. It's gonna be a comedy cruise, and so I really wanna show some of that, and let's see if it's as funny as they say it is.
Hey, let's give a round of applause for those. It's just like a festival. You got to juggle from one end of the boat to the other to get there, but it's bloody fantastic. Come to New Zealand, you might experience some mild discomfort.
Fantastic, absolutely fantastic.
Amazing. Yeah.
Absolutely loving it. What are you looking at?
I don't reckon I'm a good woman to say that to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get the debuts.
Oh, wait, you thought you were gonna see a typical Danny Black video about a cruise? That's actually not what this is. Can I just address the elephant in the room? So I bet you're wondering why I haven't posted in a few weeks. To be honest, you're not wondering that. I know that. I mean, it's been a bunch of crazy weeks. Been doing a lot of videos for other companies and projects for side channels. And one major thing I learned is that it's hard to really be creative and focus on my channel when I'm doing videos for other people.
Thanks for coming out. See you in a couple weeks.
But my priority has been this channel right here, where I've invested like countless amount of hours editing and creating. Just for you guys. Just for you guys. But it's been a great cruise and a great crowd, and I just love playing on these cruise ships.
Turn back time.
If I could turn back time, if I could find your way. And I started this channel not to show off, but to show my completely random, interesting life of a musician, and also showcase the music that I create.
Man. Donnie rocks.
Bye guys. But the problem I'm having with my channel is that I feel like I've lost touch with my audience. Where there's things that I want to show you and say, but usually I edit it out just to keep these videos nice and snappy. And all those quick snappy edits keep me working at a desk for like 8 to 10 hours. And that's not even my job. And there's more to my life than what you might see in a 5-minute weekly video.
Australians travelling into the Gold Coast on flight 523, boarding for this service on the through gate 32.
Believe me, I haven't run out of adventures. Actually, they're coming quite quick.
Hi, how are you?
Unfasten seatbelt signs.
But what's the point of building an audience if you're not even connecting with them? So now I'm back in Brisbane for a couple of weeks. And it's time for something different. So starting next week, wait, that won't work. That won't work because most of you don't watch this video when it comes right out. So let's just say starting in July. So starting in July, I'm creating a thing called JULYVE. This is where I go live every day in July. It could be 5 minutes, it could be an hour. It really depends on what's going on. So there'll be like live gigs, giveaways, some tech stuff, just fun adventures, but it will all be live, which means I get to take a break from editing videos. Now, 3 things. First thing is, before you go searching for that unsub button because you don't want your feed to be dominated by my face, I have a plan for that, and I'll explain that on the first day, so don't worry. And the second thing is, if you want to do this, you can do it. I'd love it if more people got on board with this and it became a real thing. JULYVE. JULYVE. And I'm just wondering, is anyone even still watching this video? Are you still there? If you are, write a comment at the bottom and say, that thing at the end was amazing. Trust me. And just so I'm not lying, here's something epic to end on. Thanks so much for watching and being a part of this channel and making it this far in the video. I mean, if you want to see more of this stuff, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified from my live feed, make sure you click that bell next to it. And check out another video. And I'll see you for JULYVE. There we go. Perfect. All right, that was just the practice. I'm kidding.